Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today Sunday for another card tutorial. Today I'm going to be doing a quick birthday card. I have my 110-pound card base. I do have that white matted piece that I'm going to be utilizing. I do have this boot here. It's a die cut which I already did. That's just blue watercolor, nothing fancy. I have my sentiments here, and I have a stencil that I will be utilizing. I started using it already, but I think I'm going to change my mind about the stencil, to be honest, because it's not working the way I wanted it to. So I will go ahead and get started. So I will use this here so that I can get started. Okay, so I'm just going to do some light streaks across here like this. I'm just kind of gauging it. Okay, that's one, and this is wilted violet. Then I'm going to be utilizing the blue across, kind of going in the center as much as possible. And then the final one will be candied apple. So let's try and get in between that. Strategic points. I'm just barely using the edge, and the whole thing is not to necessarily make perfectly straight lines. It's just, to have fun doing this. Okay, and I will do, whoopsie, I will also just turn this way, and I'll get this one in. Whoops, why do I keep doing that? If I can learn that which matches with which. And then on the end. Okay, so I have that. I'm going to go the other way. Okay, and I know this looks very busy, but that's quite all right. Same thing here, trying to get in between. And then finally, whoopsie, if my stuff wouldn't keep flying all over the place, that'll be good. Try and get in between that. Again, it does not have to be perfect. Okay, and then I'm going to just grab just a little bit of water and just kind of, play around with it a little bit. Okay, just making sure I get everything here. Okay, so this is just basically just something really quick. Okay, so I'm just kind of going to do this so that I can just get it a little dry without using anything else. But if you have a heating tool, then that's fine too. I'm just going to use this to take off any extra water, just a tissue. And then I'm going to adhere it to the card base, just keeping it very simple, not making anything fancy. Now, if you want to do it more, like have your lines equally spaced and all of that, is up to you. But this is just a little fun thing. Nothing, to talk about. That's going to be, like make or break anything. Okay, so I have this. So as you can see, it's just a very simple, you know, it's just a simple card. I'm going to now get my piece on here, my boot. Now I get a little piece on here, so I can make sure it's stuck on properly. And then we're going to add our sentiment. So it's basically hopping into wish you a happy birthday. As long as you don't put it upside down, you should be okay. All right, just make sure it's nice and straight. And this is really it. Very simple card, nothing fancy, but just experiment with watercolor. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I shall see you guys next week.